Hello guys, my name's Danny. I'm going to be reviewing this Bluetooth microphone that I got from Metfoot. So it comes in this nice case, as you can see right here. It comes with the user manual. And inside it just tells you everything about the microphone and all the buttons. And it comes with two USB-C chargers. So this is one of the USB-C chargers, and this is another one. This is like if you have like a computer or anything, you plug this in and charge your microphone. So to turn on the microphone, you just hold the on button.
Welcome to use Bluetooth microphone.
There you go. That's how you know it's on. So there's a microphone volume, so you could increase it and decrease it. There's a reverb, like this. There's a duet mode, so when you press this button, there's like different sounds. Yeah, I'll show you. So this is me normally. Here, let me put the reverb down. Microphone volume's all the way up. If I press it, hello. See, there's like different volumes. This is how you pause and then start the music. This is how you play the last song, fast forward, and then this is the mute button, volume down, volume up. So there is a Bluetooth speaker installed in it. So when you're playing a song, the music will be coming out of the microphone. And to charge it, there's the USB-C right here. You could connect headphones and all that other stuff. I'd recommend this if you like doing karaoke with your friends or you're having friends over, just like singing. That's who I would recommend this to.